Said Aguilar. I'm a senior at San Jacinto High School, and this is my story. Well, my condition is called Freeman-Sheldon syndrome. It is a genetic disorder that affects my muscles, that they contract and cannot extend to their full ability. It's presented a challenge throughout my life, but throughout school, I've never really been affected by it that much in terms of strict academics. I've been able to succeed and exceed all my expectations.
I've seen him go through some pretty incredible struggles. I gotta tell you, he perseveres. He doesn't let that hinder him in any way. He doesn't want you to feel sorry for him. He doesn't want you to worry. At the end of the day, all he wants you to know is, hey, I got this. I'm gonna be fine.
Oftentimes, individuals with disabilities are discounted. They're almost made to feel less than. And Saeed is a shining example that they are not less than, they oftentimes are more than. Because he's had to live a different life, he sees things differently, he's not afraid to tackle a challenge.
The workability program, I think, is a very important and beneficial program that should be more well known. It provides kids with special needs with the tools and resources. It shows them the resources that they can use in their adult life to succeed in college and the work life. Me personally, they've gotten me employed at the school district as a part of the program, and I think that's very beneficial for people like me who need the extra help.
He's absolutely showing individuals here in the district, students with disabilities, that they should not be afraid to try things. And I think Saeed's real contribution has been to make sure that the adults don't forget that we need to be aware of providing those opportunities.
I pursue higher education and everything I can to go at the next level so I can become a provider for my future family.
Saeed has been an ideal International Baccalaureate student. He has completely knocked it out of the park. He's easily top 3 students I have ever had the privilege of educating in my entire career. And his seating chart group that he's sitting in, or the groups that he is assigned to for projects, the way that he encourages them to level up their academics, and like just by being Saeed.
That selflessness about him, where he helps others, puts others before him, that says a lot about who he is and his character. And I think that's something that we can all emulate.
One message I think everyone should hear is the importance of helping and helping others and receiving help yourself, because none of us can go through it alone, whatever we're going through, and providing help for others, it just creates a community for all of us, and I think that makes the world a better place.